team. Here one speaker and here one speaker. Just power input and here input transistor. After next transistor is outputted, so it is power transistor. We know that transistor is uh, three terminals. Just one terminal transistor is uh, base, and second terminals is uh, collector, and third terminals is emitter. But three terminals, any terminals base and collector, this selected base terminals is provided this transistor data sheet. If you transistor data sheet showing the transistor full installations, then you can understand about this. Okay, thank you. Now that I know you understand my transistor, after I will next videos I show you how to work transistor. Just I some knowledge you here this PCB board why use the transistor. Just transistor using amplifier circuited for the speakers amplify just low sound to high sound convert. Okay, very simple way you can make the PCB board very easy way. Here's some resistor using when the low voltage needed, then the resistor is yes, resistor is used. Okay, I think you understand about this resistor. This is power resistor, just big size to be ceramic resistor. It is high power resistor, just around it, and show you some small resistor. It is low power consumption, low power provided this resistor. Okay, I think you can understand. Now when talking with you, this is ceramic resistor, same circuit, two circuit is same, just manufacturing is different. Here transistor one by one working, just sound quality upgrade. So upgrading for the sound quality, use the transistor. Okay, they put two here big size two capacitor here 100 microfarad and 160 volt. Here 100 microfarad and 160 volt capacitor. Two capacitor used for power lines. It is input power lines using the capacitor. Here positive source provided, and here their capacitors well, it is negative source provided. Please we have to where the place the negative and positive source. Here please for the circuits. Here negative source capacitors, negative terminals. I some descriptions about capacitors. So carefully listen my specs. Here where this capacitor white side is negative and black full black or full blue side is positive. So understanding that the negative white side is negative and otherwise full side is positive terminals. Okay, so guys আমার দেশের কিছু সাবস্ক্রাইবার্স থাকার কারণে আমি কিছু ইংলিশে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করেছি। যাই হোক ভুলভ্রান্তি হলে ক্ষমার দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন। আমি এখন বাংলায় কিছু কথা বলবো আপনাদের সাথে। এটা হচ্ছে ইউনিফাইড সার্কিট, আর ইউনিফাইড সার্কিট গঠন করতে বেশ কিছু অল্প কিছু মালামালের প্রয়োজন, যেমন ক্যাপাসিটর,